Good day, sir. So this is the how to calculate the tidal form or the secondary port of using tidal table. So this is the secondary port. So this is the customary the secondary port. The more 14T and date is 10 April 1992. Then the standard port is the before. So before we take before the calculation of the tidal form, let's use let's find the tide that focuses this in the date in the 10 April 1992 using the tidal table. So let's find it. So let's proceed. Let's go. So I find the tidal tables. This is the based on the YouTube you given. So the standard port and the labor port is let's base in the standard time. So in my find that standard tide table, I find this 03 38 38. So 0338, so 8.0 8.0. Then the 1030 2.4. So let's proceed. So I'm sorry to cut out because I need to find the tidal tables to compute the calculation. So first I find the standard port Liverpool in the tidal form that basis and date. So this is the I find the basis of the YouTube you given, sir. So 0338, and so this is 8.0 1030. This is 2.4 1653 7.7 and 2255 and 2.8. So this is called the standard port tide. This is the basis of the date of the tidal tables. So this is the time the high water that are given the high water. So 0 0 0 to 600. Then the 1200 to 1500. Then so this is the cross functional when you computed the high water. So 00 600 600 or 0600 to 1200. Then the 1800 to 000. Then only the labor port in the high water. So let's proceed in the lower waters. So I will fast forward this due to time limit. So 200 to 0800 1400 to 2000. In the same method in the cross functional, so 200 to 800, then 800 to 1400, 1400 to 2000, 2000 and 2000 to 1200. Then let's proceed in the based on the standard port, lever port. When you see in the tidal port, you can see this, but in YouTube you given 0030 plus, then 0038 38. This is the standard port lever to 1623. Then the lower is plus 0018 0020. Then it is based on 2.4 and 2.55. Hmm. 1030 and 2255. This is the correction of the high water level, high water. So let's find the correction values by using the high water. Then when you use the cross-functional method, we're gonna see this 600, 1200, and 1800. So when we computed, this is the computed by using scientific calculator. So I don't have a calculator, but I understand what it's saying in the YouTube. So to correct the calculation, let's focus the cross-functional, and we can see the lever pole that the given of the YouTube. Let's compute there. This is the basis into when you compute the cross-functional method, then minus 60 that will be computed into 60. Then let's compute there by the scientific method using tan method and Sinco method. So this is the short video that I hope you understand this video. So the answer, the correction number is 0036.05. Then the basis of the 1623. Let's proceed the same method, cross-functional method. Then minus 60, additional 1623, and minus 60 plus, let's use the Sinco method and tangent method. So the answer is, the correction number is 0037.3. Proceed the correction by the lower water. So in the cross-functional method, this is the computation that what I is saying is, but we didn't use the Sinco method, but we additional the 60 because the 5, we have a 5 minutes there. Then as you see my computation, every situation on the lower water, we use the divide method. So this is the same. So cross functional method, 0 to 800, 0800, 1400, and 2000. Then, so let's proceed here. Let's focus on the 0018 and 1030. 1030, 0018. So let's divide in the divide into 20 minutes. So this is the full computation or correction. So 17.92. This is the same method that you given the lower method, but the right side here, cross multiplication 200. Let's divide 20. This is the basis. This is the basis. These are using divided method, then additional and multiply, and this is the going to answer the same. So 17.57. So the correction number, so let's proceed. The additional, so 0338 plus this one, and you get the 041405. Then the second is 1623. So the answer is 1700.3. So same method, 17.82, 1030, 1047.92. You need to use the scientific calculation. Then 2312.57. So this is the code, the secondary port tide times. So find so we finished the find the correction. Then let's proceed in the correction of heights, but you need to draw the table. So but I already to draw the table. So this is the draw. Focus that. Standard port height. So let's proceed the correction height. So to get the standard port height, so let's proceed and let's find the tables of tide tables by using the also the basis of the YouTube. So 9.3, you get this 7.4, and the lower water is 2.9 and 0.9. So this is the standard port height. To find the correction port secondary correction for secondary port. So let's see, when you get the correction port, so let's find the tidal tide tables. So you can see in the Liverpool, the more the then let's proceed. Negative 3.4, negative 3.5, negative 0.9, and negative 0.3. So this is the correction for secondary port. In the tide table, so the third one is tide for the particular day. So to get the tide for particular day, you can see here in the standard for Liverpool, the name is 0.8, 2.4, 7.7, and 2.8. So 8.0, 7.7, 2.4, and 2.8. So this is the tide for particularly day. Then we said to get the inverse seasonal correction, you can see in the main level of the tide tables, you can get this. So 0 and negative 0.1, negative 0.1, same negative 0.1, then negative 0.1. You can see the date, the mean level of season changes, weather. So this is the inverse seasonal correction. Next is value for interpolation. Value interpolation, you can see in the tide table. It's fine in that value interpolation in the tide table also. So 8.1, 7.8, 2.5, and 2.9. So this is the value for interpolation. When we compute the value of interpolation, so let's underline the correction per secondary port. So underline the under, then to take the correction solvation and the value of interpolation, let's underline first. So to take the correction particular day, so let's divide it into, let's divide, this is like a cross functional method. You can divide 8.0, 9.3, and 7.4, then minus the 3.4, then divide the negative 3.5 to, so you need to compute by using scientific calculator. So but I already saw in the scientific calculator. So this is the all computation. So oh, 2.83, negative 2.83. Then the second is 2.69, negative. Then negative 0.78. Then that's negative 0.9. So this is the correction for particular day. Then the seasonal correction, we can see the tidal prediction table or tide table. You can see the season correction in the chart tide table. So like same inverse seasonal correction, but in the positive way. When we convert into negative times negative is equals to positive 0.1. But seasonal correction that we need and basis on our YouTube channel. So negative 0.1, negative 0.1, negative 0.1, and negative 0.1. That's a seasonal correction. Then when we take the value of tide for the particular day, height of tide, so as we can see here, that's a 8.1 and negative 2.83 and negative 0.1. Let's minus and using the scientific calculation. But I already to calculate all the problem because I need to small time lang, then to take the value of tide for the particular day height of tide. So 8.1 minus negative 2.83 minus 0.1 is equals to 5. Let's underline first, sorry. 5.17. This is 5.01. Then 1.62 and 1.9. Because in the subtraction, that is the value of tide for the particular day. Each height of tide. So let's finish the computation now. So let's proceed the data of April 10, 1992 for Drumore. So if you want to see what is your calculation overall calculation, you can put the tide data April 10 for Drumore. Then as you can see, you can put in the tide data here. Yes, ito and ito. You can put in a tide data by order. So let's put the tide data. So let's put tide data April 10 1992 for Jamor. So in order, smallest to highest. So let's put the smallest. So 0414.05 1047.92 1700.3 and 2312.57. Then the height difference calculation, your overall calculation by the correction height by value of tide for particularly day, height of tide. So you can put here in order also. So 5.17 1.6 to 5.0 5.01 and 1.9. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day, sir.